Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can group tabs in your Google Chrome. Grouping your tabs will help you easily access your tabs, or also you can separate them from the other tabs in your Google Chrome windows. So let's see how to group tabs in Google Chrome. Now I have some tabs ready in my Google Chrome window, and as you can see there are quite a few tabs. Now, if you want to group a particular tab, first you need to do is create a group. So let's see how to do it. First, go to any tab and then click on the three vertical dots present at the corner of your screen. Then you can see the tab groups option. Hover your cursor over it and click on the create new tab group button. Once you click on it, you can name this group. For example, let's say G1. And now you can also choose any color schema which you find suitable for your tab. For example, let us say cyan. Now, as you can see, the color of this strip changed to cyan. Now, you can just click anywhere else and your group is ready. Now, if you want to add other tabs into this particular group, all you need to do is go to the tab which you want to add to this group, and once you go to that tab, simply right click on that tab. Once you do, you can see the option Add tab to group. Now hover your cursor over it and you can select any of the groups. Right now we only have one group, that is G1, so I will click on G1. And as you can see that now two tabs are appearing with a cyan line. That means that these two tabs are in the particular group G1. Now, one special feature about grouping your tab is that if you close your Google Chrome and open it again, then you can see something special, that you can access your tabs from this particular button, which stands for the group name that we have created, that is G1. Once you click on it, you can access your tabs again. Although it won't save any of the work or any information, but it will simply redirect you to those tabs which you have inserted in this particular group. So this trick is very helpful if you are dealing with a lot of tabs on your Google Chrome screen. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.